Hey there! Welcome to today's video where we're going to tackle a common problem faced by many Windows users. The issue at hand involves file access permissions, specifically related to SQL Server Management Studio and creating trace files. The user encountered difficulties in accessing these trace files, even after attempting to modify directory file access settings. It's a frustrating problem, but fear not, as we have a solution in store for you. In order to address the problem of file access permissions, we need to focus on the Security tab and utilize the icacls.exe tool. By running the command icacls path grant users sadfaceoi CIM, you can grant yourself modify or higher rights to the specified directory. The M signifies the modify group of permissions, while the OI CI flags ensure that the entry is inherited by all files and subfolders within the directory. This method provides a straightforward way to overcome access restrictions and gain the necessary permissions to access the files. To sum it all up, dealing with Windows file access permissions can indeed be a headache, but with the right approach, you can navigate through the challenges effectively. By utilizing the icacls.exe tool and adjusting the permissions accordingly, you can take control of file access issues and streamline your workflow. We hope this solution helps you in resolving similar problems in the future. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.